A fantastic day to all, dear children. I welcome you back to the new and excellent version of our online education. I am Shanti here to enhance and scrutinize your English language. Children, do you like homework? Some of you saying yes and some of you are saying no, isn't it? Right. Do you do it yourself or do you get the help of your parents? Yes, you get the help of your parents now sometimes? Okay, good. What homeworks do you usually have? Do you like to do that? No? Okay, good. Who did Patrick's homework? Is a topic of a new story which I read in your holidays. Now here comes a small boy named Patrick. He is also like you. He never liked to do homeworks. Patrick never did his homework. He used to say, it's too boring for me. But he played hockey, basketball and Nintendo also. Do you know what is mean by Nintendo, children? Nintendo is a video game you used to play, isn't it? Video game, that's it. So his teachers always told him, Patrick, do your homework. And if you don't do, you won't learn anything. And it's true sometimes. He did feel like ignoramus. Children, ignoramus is a word to represent an ignorant person who lacks education. Otherwise illiterate, we'll say illiterate. But what he could do, he hated homework. He hated doing homework. One day he found a cat playing with a little dog. Can you able to see the cat there playing with a little dog? Yes, and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, he was watching what it was. It wasn't a doll, but it was really a small, tiniest man. He had a little wool shirt, the old-fashioned breeches, and a high, tall, and cap with like a witch. Cap like a witch. He yelled, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I'll grant you a wish. I promise you that. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was and he said, wow, super, one person has got to do my homework till the end of the semester. Fantastic. That is 35 days. Usually semesters are known as 6 months of the college or school days. Here only 35 days are remaining for his semester to be end. So he said, till my semester gets over, you have to do my homework. That was Patrick's wish. Now if you do a good job, I would even get A grade or A plus grade also. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in a hamper. Children, do you know what is a dishcloth? Dishcloth is a cloth used for washing dishes. Right? His face was full of wrinkles. Wrinkles is lines in the forehead and other places. Right? He kicked his legs and grimaced. You know what is grimaced? Showing disapproval in his face. No. Showing disapproval. No, like that. Okay? And true to his word, that little elf started to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. Do you know what is a glitch, baby? A fault in a machine. Except one fault. Do you know what is a fault in the machine or fault in the elf? The elf didn't know anything. whatever he is doing, you have to instruct it. Can you able to see that? Elf is doing homework, but nearby who is sitting? Patrick was sitting. Patrick would have to help in all ways. All the ways in the sense, whatever Elf is doing, he is in a position to help it. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better than a dictionary? Look up the word and sound. It is each and every letter, each and every word has to be instructed to the elf. When it comes to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. You know what is meaning of shriek? It is a high-pitched cry which I told you like this. The elves never need that addition, subtraction, division, fraction. Oh God, sit near me, said elf, and you simply guide me. I will do it. Elves know nothing. Human history, it is a mystery for it. You know what is a mystery? Confusion, full of confusion. Same like me. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. Can you able to see that library? He is searching in library. And you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, little elf was a nag. Nag in the sense one who troubles someone. More troubles, giving a complaint about others, like someone of your friends. Patrick's was working harder than ever. And it was a drag. He was staying up nights. He was working so hard, and to help elves had never felt so weary. Going to school with eyes all puffed and very blurry, very red in color. Finally, the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Can you able to see that? Elf is going out of the house. Patrick, after the exams are over, can you guess what is the grade of Patrick? Yes, it is A grade. Patrick got A grade in his examination result. Now all his classmates were amazed. Even his teachers were smiled at him and full of appreciation, praises for him. And his parents, they wondered what happened to Patrick. He was now the role model kid for the whole school. Now he started cleaning his room, did his chores very cheerfully. He never gets rude. Rude in the sense very angry. Before, he was very rude. He was angry towards everyone. He used to shout at his mother. But now he was never rude. Like he had developed a new attitude, new positive attitude towards everything. You see, children, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man to do all his homework. But I'll share you a secret. Do you know what is it? Between you and me alone, okay? Don't say to anyone. It wasn't Elf, it was Patrick who had done his homework. Who did the homework, children? It was Patrick. Good. Patrick changed his positive attitude. Now, what is the moral of the story, dear? Moral of the story? Self-help is the best help. If you are having a positive attitude in yourself, You can excel in everything. Okay, dear. We'll see you later. Thank you. Do you know who wrote the story, dear? Yes, it is Carol Moore. Who is it? Carol Moore. Fantastic. Okay, let's recap the session. What is the name of the boy? Patrick. Did he love doing homework? No, he hated homework and he used to play football. Basketball? Which ball? It's a basketball, right? Then Nintendo. Very good. Then hockey. Good, very good. Then the cat was the cat was playing with the dash. Fill in the blanks. With a doll. Is it really a doll? Yes? No, it's a elf. Very good. Then elf knows everything? Elf doesn't know anything. Max and history was a mystery. Elf doesn't know anything and somebody has to help elf. Who is helping elf? Patrick. Without knowing, Patrick helped him with dictionary and lot of reference book. Now he did all his homeworks on his own and finally as a result he got A+ grade in his examination. Fantastic, dear. Thanks. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below with the words or phrases from the box. You may not know the meaning of all the words, so children, keep a dictionary with you. It will be helpful to search a word. First question. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. Yes? Answer is very good. Cheers. Second question. Who stole the diamond is still a dash. Try it. Very good. Second answer is mystery. Third question. This dash we are going to have a class exhibition. Yes, fantastic. Semester. Fourth question. Dash. The elf began to help Patrick. Come on. Very good. True to his word. Very good. That's the right answer. Fifth question. Can you dash this word in the dictionary? Fantastic. Look up. Sixth one. I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a traffic jam. Super. Out of luck. She says she has got a lot of books, but dash. I think most of them are borrowed. Good. Between you and me. Children, there is a crossword puzzle here. Just go through this and try the answers across. Yes? Try, baby. First question is across vary. Second, across had an angry look on the face. Third, short trousers. And the fourth one is a fault in the machine that prevents it from working properly. All these we saw in the synonyms, right? Try it out. Fifth one, a small and naughty boy, fiery. So now down the questions which has to be answered down. Sixth one, work that must be done every day, often boring. The seventh, a basket with a lid. And the eighth question, gave a short, high pitched cry. Now try the answers and I'll be back to you within 1 minute. Fantastic, all answered, I think. First question answer weary, second is scowled, third is breeches, fourth one glitch, fifth one is elf. Is there any doubt in these answers? Everybody got the correct answer? Yes? No? Some of you have written breeches is breeches. Right? Change that. Breeches. Now sixth one, cheers. Seventh one is hamper. Eighth one is shrieked. Dear? Yes, you wrote the answer correctly, but the spelling is wrong, right? Change the spelling shrieked. S-H-R-I-E-K-E-D. Shrieked. Very good. I hope you all have done this crossword well. Now, shall we move to reading comprehension here? I'm going to give you a passage. You read that passage and say the answer to the questions. Shall we? Shall we read that? No. You want a break for 2 minutes? Do you want a brain button? Okay. Then draw an elf in the air. Yes? Now the passage is, then one day he found his cat playing with the little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high, tall hat, much like a witch. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that." This passage appeared in pages 7 and 8. You can refer to the book and you can try the answers. The first question in this passage, why was Patrick surprised? On the second one, what did the tiny man look like? And the third question, what was his problem? The fourth question is, how did Patrick help the tiny man? Fifth one, which word in the passage means caught? So these are the 5 questions from the reading comprehension passage. Now you have to find the answer. It is your turn now. Yes? My answer for the first question is Patrick was surprised because the doll was actually a very tiny man. Right, what is your answer, dear? Good, more or less same, only the sentence was little bit extra. Right. Second question, what did the tiny man look like? Right, the tiny man in his strange dress looked like a witch. Very good. You two wrote the same. And the third question, what was his problem? What was his problem? You tell me. He was afraid of the cat and wanted to be saved from it. And the fourth question is, How did Patrick help the tiny man? The answer for the fourth question, Patrick rushed to the dwarf's help. He saved the tiny man from the clutches of his cat. Good. Fifth one, which word in the passage means caught? Yelled. No, it is wrong. Then, breeches? No, baby. Try again. Yes. Very good. It is grabbed. The meaning of caught is grabbed in this passage. Fantastic. Now again, one more paragraph is given for you, and you have to read that passage and find the answer for the questions. Why we are giving passages is we are preparing you for the board exam, and it will be given like this. In two lines it will be given, and here we are giving you a small passage.
Now in between I am going to share a small riddle with you. Are you ready? Right. I know you children are very clever. What's green but not a leaf? Copies others but is not a monkey. What is it? You want a hint? Now it is a living being. Another hint. It's a bird. Right. Peacock? No. Another one? Yes, sparrow. No, it is wrong. Very good. It is a parrot. Clap hands. Right. One more riddle you want. What sleeps through the day and cries through the night? The more it cries, the more it creates light. Hint, the answer is not an electrical gadget. You didn't find the answer, dear? Okay, another one hint I will give you. Think about something that makes light by using a matchstick to light it. Think about fire. Okay, small fire. Very good. It is not a stove. It's not something else. What? Fantastic. It is a candle. Excellent. Okay, now we'll come back to
the reading comprehension. Another one passage. Right? Shall we start? Okay. When it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elves shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. So this is the passage, children. The first question in this comprehension is, in what subjects did the little man need help? The second one, what are the 4 basic steps in mathematics? And the third one, what did the elf say about history? And the fourth one, what demands did the elf make? And the fifth question, what did the word shrieked mean? Good. I'll give you 5 minutes time. You just go through the question and come up with the answers. Very good. First question answer. You found the answer? No? Try, baby. The first question answer. Shall we check? Right, what is the first question? In what subject did the little man need help? So the answer is the tiny man needed help in subjects like Maths and English. Very good, you wrote the same answer. The second question is, what are the 4 basic steps in mathematics? Answer. The 4 basic steps in mathematics are addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Actually, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication should be there, but here in this lesson it is given as fraction. It is not actually the 4 real basic steps in mathematics, but the 4 basic steps that elves told here is addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Right, the third question, what did the elf say about history? Answer is, the elf said that he knew nothing of human history. It means mystery for it. Good. Fourth question, what demands did the elf make? The answer is, the elf asked Patrick to go to the library and bring books. Fifth question, what does the word shrieked mean? Shrieked mean, the answer is, refer to the synonyms here. Yes, very good. Shouted loudly. So now,
Reading comprehension is over. 2 reading comprehension you just went through. Now, shall we go to what? You want riddles? Already we saw 2 more riddles, na? Okay, I'll give you 1 more riddle. Shall we start the riddle? We are brothers from the same mother, but we have never met. What is the answer for this riddle? What, dear? You want a hint? Okay. The brothers are not human beings, just 2 related things that occur every day but never together. Oh God. The clue itself is very hard. Okay. Try the answer. Yes, it is. What? No, it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is day and night. Night. Okay, 1 more riddle you want. I am as hard as a rock, but I melt immediately in hot water. What am I? Again you need a hint. A rock is made of water. Made of water? Is it the solid form of water? You are asking the question, solid form of water? Of course, yes. It will be in fridge. Yes, fantastic. An ice cube. Super. So
now it's time for speaking skills. First you listen the story, that is listening skill. Then we did reading comprehension for reading skill. Now it's time for speaking skill. In the story, Patrick does difficult things he hates to do because the elf pretends he needs help. Have you ever done something difficult or frightening by pretending about it in some way? So share it with us, or you can say what you feel about homework. These are the two topics. The words and phrases in the boxes may help you. I'll give you the words and phrases here. Do you think it is useful? And even though you may not like it, so you please form pairs with your brothers or sisters or with your parents and speak to each other. One example I'll share with you. Example sentence, like a conversation, right? I'm not fond of homework. Your partner will say, but my sister helps me with my lessons at home and that gives a boost to my marks. So, this is a sample conversation which I gave you, and please try some words in this boxes. And if possible, I'll give you the sentence also. One or two sentence I'll give you. Right? Example, I'm not very fond of keeping my room clean and tidy. But my sister does all this for me. And I have not developed a liking of non-veg. My elder brother does not support me. I have taken up playing football. I have developed a liking for chess also. I appeal to my friends to play some games. Sports can be a boon in career making. They give a boost to my confidence. My deskmate is keen on getting A grade. I hope he will assist me also in preparing my lessons. All these sentences are example sentences for you to develop your sentence making. So that's it for speaking skill. You just speak to your parents or your brothers or sisters. Good. Now it's time for creativity. The uniqueness of our school children and our school is creativity. So now I want all of you to complete the whole story in the form of a cartoon picture. Right? Now I'll give you the sample picture. Who Did Patrick's Homework is the title, and like a cartoon you have to draw picture and you have to write in the bubble like clouds. It is your own imagination and your own creativity, but the whole story has to be completed. And check out whether you missed any points in that. What, dear? He's a good drawer. What is a drawer? Ma'am, who sings good is singer and who draws good is a drawer. Oh God, he's a good artist. Fantastic. I know you all are good artists. Now it's time for you to draw and excel in that. Good children. Now I hope we come to an end of this session. Now you write 5 sentences which you like in this session. That will become your positive sentence. And 5 sentences which you like to improve in you using not. So that will become your negative sentence. For example, I like this session. I can improve myself even in home. That is one example for like. And you write another 5 sentences for your dislikes, children. I hope this session will be interesting and useful for you. If you have any doubts, just let us know and we will clarify. We are ready to clarify at all times. Thank you, children.